After downloading this Pi network via Google Play Store, it looks like this first interface. And see, this is the Pi network. I am just clicking here the open, and after this is the interface, looks like this. And now I need to do only one thing, that is cryptocurrency mining made easy. I'm clicking here. This says what's cryptocurrency, what is mining, how does Pi make mining accessible. So you can read everything, sorry. And I'm closing this. Please verify your identity to get started. So I'm clicking here too. Facebook login is the optional. Pi only uses your Facebook login to authenticate you as a person, not a bot. Pi only asks for your name and email from Facebook and cannot post anything to your Facebook profile. So you choose that what you want to sign up via Facebook or phone number. So I'm using my phone number. Sign up here by clicking this. It looks like this is coming. So choose your country and region and enter your this phone number. So I'm pause this video and type here my mobile number. Okay, hello, I'm back here. After entering the number and selecting country, it's looks like this. They are showing such Pi networks logo, and see, this is a setup. Your password must be 8 or more characters with at least one digit, one uppercase and one lowercase letter. Password, verify your password, and you will this says you will need to verify your number in order to claim the coin you mine. Pi mined by numbers that cannot verify ownership will be burned. Okay, so what they say in the last sentence, Pi mined, that's the Pi mined by numbers that cannot verify ownership will be burned. We will see. So for now I need to put here the password in the combination of 8, which is one digit, one uppercase and one lowercase letter. So here I am filling that combination of digit, uppercase and lowercase letter of this my password, and I am hitting the submit button. See what's happened. Set up your account. You need to use your real name to be able to claim Pi, and choose your username. So I need to, they say you need to use your real name to be able to claim Pi. So it's not the big deal. I'm clicking here and putting my first name and last name. So here I fill up my name, first name, last name, which is real, and they say choose your username. So this will also be your code for referring others. So I'm using the username like SwapAmPm, and username must be 4 to 20 characters, only letters and numbers. So I am done here, and I'm clicking the submit button. Actually I was clicking here, but looks like nothing is happening. Set up your account. I'm again clicking. I don't know what's going on here. Maybe either my connection is loose. Well, stay tuned guys, I will be update here in a few seconds later. Friends, I think I can't submit here due to some of issues. It looks like that, but anyway, I'm returned to login page, clicking on that the link, but here also they're not. Anyway, we are coming back here, so we again here clicking continue to phone number. So Well, after continuing number, it's look like the same logo, and again enter your password. So here is the password. I think we need to put here, which is last time we update there. So well, we are entering here password, so I'm just submit here. The same page is coming here. I can't understand what's actually going on here. Anyway, I think maybe it's kind of the issue of my internet or anything, but it's the kind of the page are looks like this. So you just need to fill up and submit, and after that of course you need to just log in, and maybe I will be show you after submit this page, or I can make you the next video to how they are working here. For now I can say thanks for watching. If you like this video, then like it and subscribe me. Thank you. uh, wait guys, here they are asking me after submitting such a page, that I'm just installing this, I mean just sending the page of that form where my name, my password are entering. I'm here. So the next page is comes like this: who invited you? An invitation code is required, find it in your referrals message. Okay, so we need an invitation code here, otherwise we can't log in here. So my invitation code is like, you just need to put here in your invitation code. I mean when you sign up here, I mean if you're planning to mine this pi network, then you just at the time of filling invitation code, use this code, that is SwapAmPm, which is created by me. And well, you can start here. For now I need to just check out for somewhere, and then like after googling when I was submitting, I will tell you in next video what's in the next happen here. So see, if I'm submit here, then they say you can't refer yourself. So remember, you can't use yourself the invitation code. You can use my invitation code, or otherwise you can google it. So what I need to do is I need also someone's referral code, and that's how they will be give me a chance to mine that pi network. Hello friends, I got the referral code for someone's when I google it. Then after entering this referral code, the interface looks like this of that pi network application. This says welcome to pi, a new cryptocurrency you can earn. Mine with this app. Pi is a cryptocurrency owned and operated by everyday people. Members mine or earn pi with simple daily action in this app that help secure the currency. So just clicking here to get started, and see tap to earn. So I just need to click here the tap here, and after tap this is awesome, you are now earning pi at a rate of 0.12 pi per hour. Come back in 24 hours to keep earning. Click the button below to start a tour of the pi network mobile app. While clicking the start tour, so see what's this is your pi balance. This is your pi balance. It is the total amount of the currency you have earned so far. This is the above in, you can see in bright window. The next is the chat section. They shows us Pi community chat, a global chat for all pioneers to communicate, discuss, and build the Pi community together. It's also where Pi's core team makes announcements. So we just clicking on next here. Let's say Pi channel on the home screen. The home screen will have different media content posted by Pi core team, example videos, picture, and questions. So I'm clicking the next. Your Pi earning breakdown, the detailed calculation of how you earn your pi through different roles in the pi network. So I'm clicking again here, your role in pi network. Your current role is pioneer. There are other roles in pi network in which people contribute to the network to earn pi. One can have multiple roles concurrently. So I'm clicking the next and see this is the role pioneer. Prove that you earn a human earn pi by checking in every 24 hours to show your commitment to the pi network and prove that you are a human, not a bot. So I need to come here maybe in 24 hours as a pioneer, contributor, ambassador node. So you can see here how it's working, and well, just download this app and start earning. Of course, it's the I'm not making real money for in this 2021. It's the current month is almost end of the May. Today is 30 May 2021. Year is 2021. So well, we will see how it's working in next upcoming years. For now, I can say thanks for watching. I hope I show you in every single steps how you can download, and after how it looks like the interface and how it's working. So well, in download, what you need to do is for download this, just go to the Play Store and here's the Pi network. Just download it and just clicking on the open, then window will be open like this, and fill up stay info, which I already show you the how it's fill here, and click on next, and that's done. Well, for now I can say if you like this video, then like it and subscribe me. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.